Hello everyone. On behalf of the Office of the Superintending Engineer PHE Western Circle Nostoin, we would like to announce that we are organizing activities regarding World Water Day event. As we all know, water is the most vital and essential needs for all parts of life in this world. It's high time for everyone, starting from our own home, to save and preserve water. So in order to give everyone a wake-up call, the Office of the Member Secretary District Water and Sanitation Mission, JJM West Khasi Hill District, is organizing two activities, that is an open to all singing competition and school competition. For both the activities, participants should be resident and under West Khasi Hill District only, and open to all singing competition will be done through online. Participants can compose their own song relating to the theme valuing water and send them through WhatsApp on the following contact numbers. The prizes include rupees 4,000 for the first prize, 2,000 for the second prize, and 1,000 for third prize. The second activity is the school exhibition. This will be contested block-wise for the whole of West Khasi Hill districts. Prizes will also be distributed block-wise accordingly. School are to make a model relating to any of this like water conservation, water cleanliness, water treatment facilities, etc. Prizes will be rupees 7,000 for the first prize, 5,000 for second prize, and 3,500 for the third prize. Consolation prizes will be rupees 1,000 for 4 numbers in each block. Let's all value and save water. Thank you.